is your toy wall. This is your toy wall. That's a camera. This is your toy wall.
No, look at that.
Who's that?
It popped out.
Well, you know, that's just, sometimes that happens. Look. Oh. Do you remember the hamster?
The hamster?
The hamster. Hello. Hello, hamster. Okay, you know what? His batteries, I think, are likely gone. We can get some more batteries. What else do we have in this wall? Whoa! Boy, that thing is dangerous.
Why that thing is...
Where did you get this bear? Who won you this bear?
You.
I did, that's right. I totally did. That was all me. That was me. And then you wanted the robot, remember? And then you didn't want the bear no more.
Then I don't want the bear no more.
You said you didn't want the bear. You. Whoa. That. Let's see that. Bring that here. That's a good toy right there. Here it comes.
Hi, yeah. Let me work on my beard first.
Let you work on your beard?
Let's play.
I don't know what he's doing now.
My game.
You're playing your game?
Yeah.
Do you feel bolts of excitement when you play with that game? Bolts? What'd you do? Did you trip? It must have been that bolt of excitement going through you.
Here's your castle. I buy that at Walmart.
You bought this castle at Walmart?
Yeah.
Okay. What? Oh my gosh, I remember that. Totally fun dragon. How do you feed it?
The food's in there.
The food's inside? It's in his tummy then.
No, I want to play that game.
What game?
That
This game?
I'm hungry.
Isn't he supposed to say what he wants?
Yeah, that one do that.
Can you feed me? 4 pieces of fruit?
He did it.
He's hungry.
No,
Oh,
that's too
I'm sorry, it's too much. You're right. Totally too much. Way too much.
Can you do
I'm
it?
so hungry.
What are you doing?
I was turning off the other thing because this guy, we have to hear him. Is the 2 supposed to be like that? What is the...
Count to 8. 3.
I feel like the 2 is... Oops.
1.
I feel like the number 2 is all jacked up.
5.
Here, let me try something.
Number 5.
Nope, that didn't work.
I'm so hungry.
Did it work?
4.
No.
4.
Can I...
That did work.
It did? Oh my gosh. Can I press the button?
Yeah.
4. Can you feed me? 6 pieces of fruit?
This game is riveting.
1.
Can you say riveting?
Let's count to 8.
You can't say riveting? Ooh.
3.
I see you trying. Don't say riveting.
Within.
Oh my gosh.